Cement's share price surged nearly 11% after the Competition Commission of India cleared a deal worth over 7,000 crore. The CCI cleared the deal on December 20th, wherein billionaire Kumar Mangalam Birla promoted UltraTech Cement will acquire a majority stakes in India Cements. Further, UltraTech Cement will also launch an open offer for India Cement's stake for up to 26%. Shares of JBM Auto Limited surged up to 5% after JBM Ecolife Mobility, which is a subsidiary of their company, was awarded contracts as a bus operator for the procurement, operation and maintenance of 343 electric buses in Ahmedabad. Indigo shares rose after brokerage firm Elara Capital upgraded its rating on parent Interglobe Aviation, raising it to a buy rating from an earlier sell call. The brokerage cited expectations of strong demand growth through FY28 driven by capacity expansion at all major airports, launches of new airports, and the return of P&W aircrafts to Indigo's fleet. Shares of metal companies, especially steel makers, ended higher after the Directorate General of Trade and Remedies took notice of steel industry's request, which was seeking a 25% safeguard duty on imports, and began its investigation into the matter. Even though a decision on the matter is expected following the DGTR's investigation, CNBC Awaaz reported that a safeguard duty on steel imports could potentially be imposed based on initial findings of the inquiry, even before the final report is completed. Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy shares jumped after the company announced bagging a domestic order worth nearly 1,200 crore. The company has secured an order for the design, engineering, procurement and construction of a 500 megawatt solar power project in Gujarat. Hindustan Construction Company shares tumbled after the construction player announced it divested its stake in Steiner AG. HCC's stake in Steiner AG was sold so that the firm could focus on its core EPC operations in India. Insurance stocks were trading in the red as the GST Council deferred a decision on relief for life and health insurance premiums during its meeting on December 21st, since the council needed more time to arrive at a consensus. Presently, premiums paid on life and medical insurance largely attract a GST rate of 18%. This led to a decline in the share prices of insurance stocks across the bourses. Zomato shares fell as investors booked profit after the stock's entry into the benchmark 30 stock Sensex. The stock had witnessed a bull run in the past 6 months as it surged close to 40%, giving investors more leeway to cash in on partial profits. Bharat Global Developers was under SEBI's radar and its shares crashed up to 5%, hitting the lower circuit as market regulator SEBI has suspended trading in the stock until further orders. The regulator also barred the company's promoters from accessing the capital markets indefinitely. The complaint, as a result of which SEBI passed this order, noted a dramatic rise in Bharat Global Developers' share price, which jumped up to 105 times from November 2023 to November 2024. DOMS Industries shares extended its fall for the fourth consecutive session and slipped over 18% lower in trade today. The selling in the counter began after its one-year lock-in for pre-IPO shareholders expired on December 18th. Following the lock-in expiry, Italian stationery maker Fila decided to offload a 4.6% stake in the company, sparking a correction in the counter ever since then.